And some breaking news coming in. The Supreme Court has issued a notice to the centre on a plea seeking the quashing of the selection process of the Lokpal and also challenging some of the rules framed for the search committee. Now, the government is to respond to this within 4 weeks. The NGO Common Cause, represented by Prashant Bhushan, remember, filed this plea. And the Supreme Court issuing this notice to the central government over the issue of the Lokpal's appointment. Now, the court has issued the notice after a PIL challenged the Lokpal's appointment rule, which favours the appointment of the secretaries to Government of India as members of the Lokpal. Now, the Supreme Court has asked the centre why can't CBI members be considered for the Lokpal. And the court said that if a CBI joint director or director is engaged in dealing with anti-corruption policies, will he be eliminated as the member? Jaskirat Singh Baba, our correspondent, joining us on the phone line with more details. Jaskirat, over to you. Right, Jaskirat, if you can hear me?
Yes, go ahead.
Right, Jaskirat, we understand that the Supreme Court has issued a notice to the centre on the PIL challenging the Lokpal appointment rule.
Well, that's correct. Not just the Lokpal appointment rule, the entire process has been challenged away in the Supreme Court by NGO Common Cause, represented by Prashant Bhushan.
Right.
They also had Pali Nariman, an eminent jurist who also was there on the board. However, what we're given to understand is that today the Supreme Court was convinced enough to have at least sought a response from the government. The Solicitor General present over there accepted the notice on behalf of the government, and the response sought is on the questions raised about the Lokpal process, the selection process, the criteria of the selection, which the petition alleges is biased. It is meant in a manner that stunts the possibility of a fair and unbiased Lokpal, and those are the basic grounds on which Prashant Bhushan argued the case today, on which the government's response in 4 weeks has been sought.
Right.
However, the petitioners were trying to get it expedited a bit because the elections are around the corner, and they wanted to ensure that before the vacation, the summer vacation itself, or before the new government is formed, the Supreme Court could perhaps arrive at a decision, but that seems slightly unlikely right now.
Jaskirat Singh Baba, thank you for bringing us that update. This is as the Supreme Court has issued a notice to the centre on the entire selection process on the Lokpal.